is Robin and this is my closet. Today I have Singleswag. I keep canceling this box and I keep ordering it. Do you want to find out what's in here? Give me 1 second. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. I so appreciate it, and I've met so many nice people on my channel. As you can see, I'm filming out in the woods, so I didn't do my nails. I have my outfit on from Luxury Divas, so if you didn't see that video, I'm going to leave a link up there so you can watch it. It's a 10 cactus thumbs up box. And I have another one. Singleswags is misleading because you don't need to be single to get it, but it has great products in there. So let's get into it. When you open it up, there's usually a card with everything that is in the box. And this one says, win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag Singleswag. We pick a winner each month. So there you go. And this card smells really good. And the next thing in the box is, we're so happy you decided to love yourself. To show our appreciation, we have included an extra surprise full-size item for you to enjoy in your first box. What happened was I canceled it because being up here in Washington, I couldn't keep up with all the boxes. So I just kind of postponed this. So I decided to cancel this while I was up in Washington. But then they sent me a deal for like 30 or 40% off. So I'm like, okay, I'll take another box. So that's probably why they think this is my first box. I want to say like $39. The price will be on the screen by the time that I post it. And then they gave me like 40% off, so I paid like 20 something, and it's usually well worth the money. So comes very nicely wrapped with tissue paper. And the first thing I see are watermelon socks. And I do wear a lot of these socks up here because I have to wear gym shoes. So I just love these quirky little socks. So that's the first thing. And the socks, the Sweet Feet 1 in a Melon socks. 1 in a melon, okay. They retail for $18. Treat your feet with these fun, comfy, classic crew socks with a sweet message on the sole. You are truly 1 in a melon. Don't ever forget it. Oh, it does. It has 1 in a melon. Okay. And the next thing is usually a snack. And it's a mini cookie stash, so it looks like a mustache. Okay, and our little, what a cute little box. Belgian Boys Cookie Stash Duo is $5. They're chocolate chip. And, ooh, there's a couple snacks. Oh, there's 2 mustache snacks. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so they must be $5. I'm not sure if it's $5 each or $5 for both of those. But there's something that smells really good inside this box. The next thing is Monarch Bloom. I'm thinking it's jewelry, and they always put it in these nice bags. And it looks like a necklace. Oh, this is cute. Got those little things, and oh, there's earrings. So these are earrings, and there's a necklace. It's not something that I would wear. It's a little bit dainty for me, and I wear mostly silver. So I will either gift it to somebody or put it in a giveaway. But it is really nice that you got the earrings and the necklace. And I gotta find out what it's smelling so divine. Oh. Okay, so the next thing in the box is the Sponge Gel Lavender Vanilla, and this is what I have been smelling. Oh my God, it smells really good. Cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. And I don't know if any of you have this, but it smells great. And the Monarch Bloom Shine Bright necklace and earring set retailed for $84. Do I think it's $84 in a retail? No. Is it cute and a nice thing to put in a box? Yes, but I would not pay $84 for that. Now the Sponge Gel boxed flower lavender vanilla retails for $20, and I've seen these in so many like Ultas and Sephora's and all that, and that's what they sell for. So I do like this. And the next thing, it says love handle. Get a handle on the devices you love. Oh, it's one of those things that you put on the back of your phone so that you can kind of stick your fingers in there. They have all sorts of things. They have the little knobby thing, and they have this. I probably won't use it on my phone. So again, it'll go into a giveaway or as a gift. And that retails for $10. So it's got some fun items in this box, you know, stuff that you probably wouldn't go out and buy yourself. Well, maybe the cookies you would. And we have So Susan Cosmetics, like Halo on the High. What is this? Sorry, I can't read this. This might be the gift because I don't see it on here. I'm thinking it's that little extra item that they said that they were going to put in here. Say hello. We love hearing from you. Susan Cosmetics. And of course it's one of these boxes that I'm totally going to destroy before I get into it. Looks like a little compact. Halo on High, luminizing powder cream, illuminizing tint. So it's a cute little box. Wow. I'm not going to swatch this because I think this color is going to be way too dark for my light skin. It has the mirror and the color. So I'm not going to swatch it, but it's really nice, and I think that's a free little gift thing that they threw in there. So it is really nice. Sorry, dropping my cookies. And we have, I've gotten these before and I never know what to do with them. Apply small amount of product to your drop. Lightly dab, draw or outline onto face. Blend gently into skin. I think this is like a blender brush to put your foundation on. And I received a couple of these before and I tried doing it and I created such a mess with this. So if you know how to use these, or even better, if you have a video where you use this, let me know. Because it says it's a makeup drop and it's the only tool you need in your vanity, but it's a silicone beauty applicator. I couldn't get it to work. It was just, I don't know, it just wasn't working for me. So let me know. And let's see if we got that one. Yeah, it's called the Makeup Drop Body Edition, and it retails for $20. Flawlessly apply all of your liquid and cream skincare and makeup products with this non-toxic, hyperallergenic, and cruelty-free silicone beauty applicator. Designed for use on your face or body, Makeup Drop is the go-to applicator for many beauty experts and celebrities. I've never seen anybody use one of these, and I watch so many videos, so many makeup videos. So again, if you've used one in your video, let me know. And again, that retails for $20. And there is a book in here, and I think I've received this book before. You Are a Badass Every Day. And there is a YouTuber out there that, what does she say? She calls her subscribers something like badass subscribers. So I'm gonna have to check for sure and see if she'd like this book. Oh, I lied. There's one more thing in here. I don't even see the book. Oh yeah, here it is. You Are a Badass Every Day. It's the #1 New York Times best-selling author. This pocket-sized inspirational book contains over 100 exercises, reflections, and cues to keep you fresh, grateful, mighty, and driven. Oh, I'll have to check it out. And the last thing in this box is by Quinoa and Baobab Sculpting and Strengthening Mascara. I just got a mascara in, what was it, our BoxyCharm box, so I don't really need any more mascaras. I'm not going to open it because I can either gift it or put it in a giveaway, but it's a nice size too. And let's see if that's on here. The mascara retails for $28. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and hypoallergenic, and it's vegan. So everything in this box retailed for $201. Now, they did add the necklace and earrings for $83, which I think is kind of way off. But I'm sure the mascara goes for that. I know the sponge gel goes for probably $20. So it had fun stuff. To me, this was just kind of like an okay month. But I enjoy my little boxes. So I'm going to take a picture of everything so I can post it on Instagram, and maybe I can win a free box. So let me know what you thought. Leave comments below. And you guys have an awesome day.